Larry and Vickie Hasenour here in Louisville, Kentucky. Back to the gardening. Enjoy as Larry shows you what's going on in the garden here.
Yeah, we got lots of things going on. We're enjoying it. Our carrots are coming. So are all the little cabbages. Zucchini is really making a debut. So are the peppers. Lots of big peppers. Cabbage is really coming along fine. Beans are just barely getting started. So is this line of peppers. Another cabbage. But look at the broccoli. Huge broccoli. And tomatoes, like we couldn't ask for more, better tomatoes. They've just come along just abundantly. It's just been amazing how much we have grown. Had growth in just the last week. And of course, we got bigger tomatoes. These are not the cherry variety, but they're big tomatoes. Beefsteak. Here we have squash coming. I had to pull the cantaloupe. We had an infection, unfortunately. So I had to plant another cantaloupe, but the watermelon is coming. More peppers. And Vickie's got a lemon tree coming here. And we go out to the other garden and getting a good start on the 30 cucumber plants and 40 some tomato plants. So they are getting a nice start. So if you haven't started gardening yet, there's still plenty of time to get in the garden. Tomatoes are coming along just fine. Everything looks good there. And then in the back garden, oh my goodness, the cabbages are just growing in leaps and bounds. It's just been amazing. And we planted a little sweet potato plant here. They don't really produce. It's more like a sweet potato vine. But the bugs come to it instead of our plants. So it's a very good investment to have a sweet potato vine. As you can see, the bugs really enjoy it. And they enjoy it more than they enjoy our plants. So that is what you want in your garden. So with those, keeps the bugs off. As you can see, we had a lot of bugs at the beginning, but the bugs are pretty well staying away now. So we're very happy about that. And the beans, first they were getting eaten. Now they too are healthy. Cabbage, more cabbage everywhere. And this is the horseradish plant I got in Ohio and gave it to me that owned a bed and breakfast we stayed at. Very happy to get it. So we're really enjoying that. Little plants around the cabbage. Then inside the greenhouse we have a lot of flowers coming out. Vickie has a lot of golden marigolds coming up and Shasta daisies. So we got a lot of them just getting started here in pots with a couple of trees. And inside, of course, there's that carrots, another good batch of lettuce. You can make lettuce every month. This is what's great about lettuce. The leeks, ready for onions. They're coming along great. And I got to do something about these. We got to replant all of our turnips. That's quite a batch of turnips. So now I had to treat these because we were getting blight out here as soon as we planted. Little yellow areas on our plants that I had to cut off. So it's a bacterial infection. It looks like little dead areas of the leaf. You don't see any now. I've cut them pretty well all off. I got the dead specks on them. But saying that copper, get a copper sulfate type deal, and that will get rid of that. So I've got some coming. Saturday I'm going to be treating all the plants with copper sulfate. For now I just took a little aspirin and sprayed them. Found out aspirin is very, very beneficial. It really increases the immune system, really makes a difference on these plants. So this is our garden. The greenhouse is doing really well. And we got a lot more plants to do. coming, and I want to show you something else that you want to grow. Bee balm. All the bees love it. Have bee balm in your garden. And if you want spearmint, put a little in your yard, and you will have spearmint the rest of your life. Okay? Really great to have it around. But we just planted small sprigs last year, and now we'll have a lifetime of it. It comes up every year, so we're really happy to have a spearmint, and very, very good tasting. We just enjoy making lemonades and teas and all the things with it. So hope you have an enjoyable evening. Hope you enjoyed look at our garden. And if you get a chance, hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Garden is better than ever. A lot of things growing in the back. And this year, for the first time, we've had actual honeysuckle blooms. Show you that. Over here, the honeysuckles have really bloomed. Now they're past the bloom stage. We've really enjoyed the honeysuckles this year. The power is just growing in leaps and bounds. A lot of Bye, Ellen.
Thanks for watching.